Okay, okay, Mr. Gilthorpe,
It's because he's skinnier than me.
Ms. Ms. Mosley, would you call Benny Smith?
Judge, we're ready on that. I believe that we can do a bench trial on that one today.
Oh, it's gonna be a bench trial,
I
okay,
believe so. I don't want to commit on to anything, but that's what I'd like.
well, state,
I still need a minute on it, Judge, I'm sorry.
If we
Okay,
can
that's
vote
fine.
on it, I
Just-
think
we'll
we can-
hold on.
I can.
Okay, we'll hold on it.
convince them to agree with me.
okay, so we're gonna hold on that. Mr. Kurtz. Mr. Kurtz. Have Mr. Smith, just have a seat right in one of the ones with the black and yellow sticky tape on the back. He must be on there.
I'm on the dismissal docket, Judge. We'll take it in the mail.
Oh, your guy's on Zoom.
I got one guy on Zoom and one guy out in the hall.
Your Honor,
Okay, I just hold on a
I
minute.
can't get her. She might be in class. She could be-
Okay. Well, okay, just hold on. Let me see, that was, he had, Pharaoh was on Zoom. You say you have another one in the hall?
Yes, Judge Brian Chance. My announcement is going to be the same.
Ms. Moses, would you please get Mr. Chance? You say Chance?
Yes, Judge.
What documents? Both of them on the same document.
Yes, sir. They should be on the pre-trial.
Yeah. We're in session in cause number 326-384. Case is style of State of Texas versus Brian Edwin Chance. Mr. Chance, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Chance?
Yes, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Chance, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Ryan Gertz. Mr. Gertz, how you doing?
Great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, Mr. Gertz. You have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Chance's case?
Yes, Judge, we want to just reset to another pre-trial conference docket. And, we may be able to get this case worked out, but we don't have it worked out at this stage.
And how much time do you need?
Maybe 60 days.
Not state. State, you have any objections to resetting to 60?
No objection, Judge.
Okay. February the 7th?
Sounds great,
Okay.
Judge. Thanks.
Mr. Chance, your case is gonna be reset to February the 7th, 2022. Your attorney is gonna get your reset once he signed the pad. Once he gets your reset, and once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Gertz, would you please sign the pad in front of our coordinator?
Sure.
Okay. The next case is gonna be cause number 327-792. Case is style of State of Texas versus Joshua Strong Farrell. We have Mr. Farrell appearing via Zoom. Mr. Farrell, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
That's good. Mr. Farrell, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Ryan Gertz. Mr. Gertz, what's your announcement in Mr. Farrell's case?
Same thing, Judge. I think we may be able to get this worked out, but I'm asking for an additional 60 days.
So you're gonna put them on the same day? What's that date?
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Farrell, your case is gonna be reset to February 7th. Your attorney will be given a copy of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. Thanks for being patient with us, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And Mr. Gertz, I think this will conclude your cases. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thanks, Judge. I was really excited about being on the dismissal docket. We need to have one of those.
No.
All right.
Burl Thompson? Okay. Problem on this one too. This is a February 25th, 2019 case.
Should have tolling language in the information. Book.
Tolling, that's not the problem on this one. This occurred, you're asking for deferred adjudication. The offense date is before September 1 of 2019. And this is the offense date is February 25th of 2019.
Right, but this is, it's been refiled as an obstructing a passageway.
Oh, so that's a different case. Okay.
Yes, Judge.
I gotta get that offense. Okay. So y'all gonna be dismissing
Yes, Judge.
that one? Okay.
Yeah, I've submitted the dismissal.
Okay, let me do this, see if we got it. Where is it? Let me see if it's on here. Try it again. Where is it? This must be it. Here it is. Okay. This is cause numbers 331046 and cause number 323054. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Burrell Allen Thompson. Mr. Thompson, is that your full name?
Yes, sir. It is.
How are you doing, Mr. Thompson?
No contest.
No, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Great.
Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Thompson, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Thompson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God? You may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Thompson, your attorney of record is Mr. James Macon, but Mr. Macon is sick. He's not able to be here this morning. However, we have Mr. Joe Vasquez, Attorney Joe Vasquez, who is standing in for Mr. Macon. Does Mr. Vasquez have your permission to stand in for Mr. Macon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Vasquez, do you waive a record in Mr. Thompson's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Thompson, in cause number 331046, I have before me an information that alleges that on or about February 25th, 2019, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of obstructing passageway highway. And the state further presents that during a period of June 7th through of 2019, and information arising from the same set of facts was pending in a court of competent jurisdiction, to wit, cause number 223054 in the county court at law of number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Now, to this charge, Mr. Thompson, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Judge.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Thompson, let me do this here. Need to, looking at your waivers, I need to add a paragraph in here.
Where did I leave it?
Well, what I was putting in the forfeiture statute of limitation defense,
Oh.
let me allow you to go over that and explain